In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear undeposited funds in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Banking up top, and then you want to click on Make Deposits. Now, in here, you'll have to select the payments, so it's going to open up this pop-up window called Payments to Deposit. So you want to check these that you want to deposit, so you can just click on the check mark next to them like that. I'm going to click on this first one right now, and then what you want to do is click on the OK button, and it's going to open like this, and it's going to say Deposit To. Here you want to select the correct amount or account. I'm just going to select the account. We're just going to do checking over here. You can put memos, dates, etc. And if everything looks good, you can then just click on save and close over here, and that's going to deposit. Okay, so if I now go back over here as we were earlier, I'm going to click on banking and then make deposits. You'll be able to see that there's now only one deposit because the previous one, which was undeposited, has now been cleared. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.